and you should be looking at everyone. That means you need to keep your eye contact with everyone. Sometimes you should be looking at that part, sometimes here, sometimes there. Don't stand like a statue or a robot. For example, if I introduce myself before you, how can I begin? I can begin with the greetings, as we said. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Thank you very much for giving me the chance today to speak something before you, and especially thanks to our course instructor for giving me the floor. Today, I'm going to introduce myself before you. So my name is Shah Salahuddin, but you can call me Salahuddin. I'm 34 years old. I'm a teacher. I'm from Tanai. So this is how you need to continue. And you can move on and on. And at last, when you're going to end your presentation, you can say, so that's all about me today. Thank you very much again for your patient hearing. And hopefully we are going to see you again. Allah Hafiz. Take care. So এইভাবে কিন্তু আমরা প্রেজেন্টেশন শেষ করতে পারি, ঠিক আছে? So presentation